No, I am the authorized representative. I'm making a special limited appearance for the all caps name.
Okay. All right. Let me call this matter then. Now calling the matter of the people versus John Vieira, Sherelle Williams. This is ticket SP 1534898. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. May I have your appearance for the record, ma'am, please?
Hello?
Can you? I can hear you. I need your appearance for the record, ma'am. Can you hear us? I could just hear you a moment ago.
Hello? Can
Hello?
you hear me now?
Can you hear us? Yep, I can
Yeah,
hear
I can
you.
hear you now. Something going
Okay.
on with the phone. I'm inside of a building.
I was about to say, it's because you're in the building, ma'am. Can you state your name for the record, please?
I am the authorized representative of the all caps name, John Vieira, Sherelle Williams.
All right. And it's my understanding today that you don't want to be represented by an attorney. Is that correct?
Yes, I have power of attorney.
Okay. And you know that you have the absolute right to have an attorney. This matter is a misdemeanor before my court. So certain constitutional rights kick in. The fine is up to $500. A possible, I believe, not this one ticket is 90 days maximum in jail, potentially, in these particular matters. So when we start taking away civil liberties, there's a right to have an attorney. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, how would you like to move forward with this? Do you have current insurance, up to date and current insurance?
Actually, I took the car and I put it inside of the business, the trust, and I'm not operating the vehicle now because we need to do some more paperwork on it. I am in the process of rescinding all my contracts.
Buckle up, guys. Today, we're diving into another wild ride through the world of sovereign citizens and our main character, a woman who refuses to acknowledge her own name. It all kicks off as the judge tries to get a simple confirmation of identity, but instead, he's met with pseudo-legal jargon and authorized representative nonsense. She denies needing an attorney and claims she's merely making a limited special appearance for the name in all caps. Spoiler alert, it only gets worse from here.
Insurance or you don't have insurance. And then you need to tell me how you would like to proceed forward. We can either proceed forward with the plea, proceed forward with the trial, bench, or jury in this matter.
As I understand the process, the judge, the county attorney, or the police officer has leveled the criminal charge with the clerk against the trust using the all cap name.
Ma'am, it's all the same. So whether it's all caps or lower caps, if it comes under your driver's license number and it's a registered vehicle to you, it's your responsibility. So my question was, do you or don't you have insurance at this point in time?
I'm asking you to dismiss the case with prejudice.
Okay, so I'm not going to do that because it's still an open case and I still don't have whether or not you have insurance has to be provided. Any vehicles that are driven, road, traveled on the roads have to have insurance in the state of Michigan.
Well, the clerk, who is the administrator of the CSTQ trust, then appointed you, the judge, as the trustee for the trust. And since neither of you can be the beneficiary, that leaves me.
All right, guys. Things go from confusing to comedic. The judge calmly explains the severity of the charge and the potential consequences, including jail time. But instead of answering a yes or no question about car insurance, she launches into sovereign gibberish, claiming she transferred the car into a trust and is now rescinding contracts. The courtroom might be patient, but it's clear she's playing a game of legal charades no one, even else, agreed to join.
Charge this entire matter at your argument of trial of judge will ask you, okay?
No. So here's your options. You can either plead or you can have a bench or jury trial. How would you like to proceed? Or if you don't want to participate, or if you don't want to participate.
I don't want a contract at all. I don't want a contract at all.
So if you don't want to participate, then what we do is the next stage is a show cause or a capias.
So as my trustee, I instruct you to discharge this entire matter with prejudice and award the penalties for these charges to be paid to me and compensation, damages, or for all false arrests.
All right. So it seems like she doesn't want to participate in today's hearing. So I'm going to set this for a show cause on the date of July 22nd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. If at that point in time, Ms. Janvier Sherelle Williams would like to participate in the hearing, she can return to court. Bond set at $0 personal.
Here we go, guys. The judge tries once more to bring her back to reality, but she doubles down, declaring herself the beneficiary of a CQ trust and naming the judge as her trustee. The courtroom logic is spiraling into pure fiction, but the judge doesn't flinch. He reminds her criminal charges don't care about trust law fantasies. She wants the case dismissed, but the law doesn't bend to word salads. Her refusal to answer basic questions is pushing the court to the edge.
Janvier Williams. Thank you so much. Janvier Williams.
Hello.
Hello. Can you turn your camera on,
Yes.
please?
Yes.
All right.
How you doing?
I'm fine. How about yourself? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Janvier Sherelle Williams. This is ticket number SP 1534898. Count no insurance misdemeanor. May I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
I am here as the authorized
Our counsel,
representative of the all cap name. I am here to make a special appearance, limited special appearance.
All right. So
I'm
are
a foreign entity.
Things are heating up now. The judge patiently outlines her last options: plea, bench trial, or jury trial, but she declines to contract with the court. Sovereign citizen logic strikes again. She insists on discharging the case and being paid for her damages, as if she's conducting a business deal instead of facing a misdemeanor. With no cooperation in sight, the judge finally sets a show cause hearing. The window is closing and a capias is looming.
With this hearing today, and she's going to be capious at this point in time.
Okay, so
So
that all
do you have
cap
the
name
opportunity to?
was created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation? I am a
I am here.
non-resident alien. Listen to me. I'm telling you.
I'm here for, no ma'am. I give you very specific things. This is a matter for no insurance for Janvier Sherelle Williams. If she is not present today, I
I'm
cannot
asking you to
handle this matter.
Okay.
Okay. So is she
Judge,
present today?
do you have any interest in the case of filing a W-9 or a 1040 form with the IRS?
No. This is a traffic matter for no insurance misdemeanor. And if you're not Janvier Williams, you don't have any claims in this case anyway. So I need that person to appear, or else this case will be capious today.
I'm asking you to dismiss the case. Charges.
I don't know.
I am
who
an
you are,
authorized
though.
representative. I just told you I'm an authorized
Do you
representative.
have a P number? Because the only person who can represent someone in court is an attorney. What is your P number?
Round 2 is here, and it's deja vu all over again. She reappears in court only to repeat the same act. No identity confirmation, just another limited appearance as an authorized representative. The judge cuts through the nonsense and lays it out. If the actual person charged doesn't show up, the hearing can't move. Forward. And guess what? That leads straight to a bench warrant. The mask of make-believe law is slipping fast.
I will lean it. I will lean it.
Quiet.
Janvier Sherelle Williams, are you present, ma'am? Janvier Williams, are you present twice?
I am here
Janvier Sherelle Williams.
to make a special limit appearance
Are you
on
present?
the behalf of
Ms. Williams, if
John-
you're not gonna answer the question she asking, don't say anything.
I am here to make a special appearance, limited appearance on the behalf of Janvier Williams, the agent.
The regard.
Okay, so Janvier
Authorized
Williams is not
representative.
present.
Authorized representative.
All right, so if she's not present today, I cannot move
Non-resident
forward because I
alien.
need her present. All right, so there will be a capias put out on her, 0 bond, until she appears before the court. I need to have John Pierre Sherwell Williams appear before the court so that I can make sure I have the right person who has this
That all
ticket
cap name
of no
was
insurance.
created by the state of Michigan for public and political purposes. Are you bringing suit to your own corporation?
Thank you. John Pierre Sherrell Williams is capious until she appears before my court.
All right, guys, this one's pure chaos. She rambles about the state of Michigan creating her name for public and political purposes and asks the judge if he's suing his own corporation. The courtroom is being dragged into fantasy land, and the judge's patience is visibly thinning. She tries to dismiss the case again, drops UCC threats, and name drops IRS forms like it's a tax seminar. But none of it matters. No valid appearance, no progress, and we're seconds from a capia. Now it's painfully clear she won't answer any direct question. The judge gives her every chance to verify her presence, but she won't bite. She hides behind agent talk and limited appearances, dodging the fact that she's the one being charged. The judge calls it, without the actual person present, there's no choice but to issue a capias. The courtroom's done playing this game. It's no longer about legal theory. It's about consequence. And just like that, reality catches up. A bench warrant is issued, and Karen is officially capias. She tried to outmaneuver the legal system with fantasy law and ended up inviting real-world enforcement instead. The judge says it best. Dealing with the court is a lot better than dealing with the police when they come knocking. So, if you're ever tempted to play sovereign citizen roulette, just remember, the house always wins. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.